What are the cognitive behavioral types of intervention?
There's several new types of intervention that are not quite as dramatic and drastic as the original sort of Johnson sort of formulation that are now available. One is called the ARISE method. One is called the CRAFT method, and these are acronyms, and you could probably look them up on the internet and find out further information. They approach it from a very different standpoint. It's not all about them being diseased or being bad, but rather approaching them from a much more gentle, softer approach where there's more cooperation. For example, in the CRAFT method, between the husband and wife, there's more focus on getting a job, and using certain sort of pharmacological interventions. But it's not all about, one big splash and off they go and they get fixed in that funny place called the rehab, only to return to the same place. It's a much more integrative approach, and all the time there may be certain communities and community hospitals that have a very distinct little method that fosters more communication, and it comes from a much more I don't want to say loving, because all these are sort of loving approaches, but from a position of I really care about you and I want our relationship to continue.